Hello and a very warm welcome to Cognito Key. Today, we're going to uncover the secret of a device you see literally every single day, but probably don't think twice about. It's the silent, hidden hero of our electrical world. Without it, our modern lives would just stop. So let's get right into it and find out what makes the transformer so incredibly important.
I'm sure you've seen these around, right? That gray cylinder sitting up on a utility pole, or that green metal box on the sidewalk in your neighborhood. Even that little black brick that charges your laptop. They all look so different, but guess what? They're all transformers, and they're all doing a job that is absolutely critical for us.
So what is their main job? Well, think of a transformer as the ultimate gatekeeper for our entire power grid. It stands right in between the massive amount of power that's created at a power plant and the safe, usable electricity that you need in your home. It manages the flow, making it just right for us.
Okay, let's get the official definition out of the way. A transformer is a static electrical machine. Now that word static is super important because amazingly it has no moving parts at all. Its whole purpose is to take AC power that's alternating current from one circuit and transfer it to another. But here's the key part. It changes the voltage level while doing it.
So, to put it really, really simply, a transformer's job is to change the voltage of electricity. It either makes it higher or it makes it lower. That's it. But that one simple job is something our entire world depends on.
So how on earth does it do this with no moving parts? Honestly, it feels a little bit like magic. But it's not magic, it's just a really brilliant piece of physics called electromagnetic induction.
The science behind it all is something called Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Now that sounds pretty complex, doesn't it? But the idea behind it is actually beautiful. It basically says that if you have a changing magnetic field, you can actually create or induce an electrical voltage in a wire that's nearby without anything physically touching. Okay, so let's walk through it. First, an alternating current flows into the first coil of wire. This creates a constantly changing, invisible magnetic field. Then, this magnetic field spreads across to the second coil and poof, it induces a brand new current over there. It's like a wireless energy jump. The two coils never ever touch, but the power just moves perfectly between them. So cool.
So this really elegant principle allows transformers to do one of two very important jobs, either step the voltage up or step it down.
And the difference between them is actually super simple. A step-up transformer, well, it increases voltage, and it does that by having more turns of wire on its second coil. You find these huge ones at power plants. A step-down transformer does the exact opposite. It decreases the voltage by having fewer turns on that second coil. These are the ones we see all over our cities and neighborhoods.
But why step it up so high in the first place? It's all about efficiency. When you send electricity at a really high voltage, you can send it with a low current, and that dramatically cuts down on the amount of energy that's wasted as heat when it's traveling through hundreds of kilometers of power lines.
But you definitely do not want 440,000 volts coming into your house. That would be so dangerous. So this is the crucial point. That power has to be stepped down to a much safer, more manageable level, like 230 volts, long before it ever gets to your plug points.
And this brings us to the really big picture. The ability to change voltage up and down isn't just some neat little trick. It is the very foundation of how our entire power system works.
Let's just follow the journey for a second. Power is generated at a plant, then a giant step-up transformer boosts the voltage way up for its long trip across the country. As it gets closer to our towns, substations with step-down transformers start lowering the voltage. And finally, that transformer on your street corner does the final step down, delivering a safe 230 volts right to your home.
So you see, our whole grid is like a perfectly coordinated dance, and the transformers are the choreographers. They are the true unsung heroes that connect those massive power plants to the single light bulb in your room, making everything work safely and efficiently, all behind the scenes.
It really makes you think, doesn't it, about all these complex, invisible systems working all around us all the time. The transformer is just one amazing example of a technology that works silently, making our modern lives possible. What other invisible inventions do you think are the hidden heroes that support our world every single day?
I really hope this explainer has shed some light on the incredible job that transformers do. Maybe the next time you see one, you won't just see a metal box, but you'll see a critical link in the chain that powers our entire world. If you enjoyed this, please do like this video, share it, and of course, subscribe to Cognito Key for more deep dives into the tech that shapes our lives. Thank you so much for watching.